Watch this video and learn how to draw a sheep. Bah!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend
Artie! Artie! Artie's sleeping, little Artis. Artie! Are you okay?
Artie, very tired.
Will you be able to do the drawing today? Perhaps we should skip today.
No. I do want to make art.
Okay.
Man, I'm ready for a nap break.
Nap break!
Are you a little more awake now, Artie? Ready to do the drawing?
Okay.
Come on, let's start. Let's draw two little eyes on the left side of the page. Just draw a little circle and shade it in black. And then draw another little circle next to it and shade that in black as well.
Okay.
Let's draw a horizontal oval shape around the left eye. Now let's draw a circle a little bit bigger than the oval around the right eye.
It's a lovely day to create some art.
Sure is.
Let's draw a couple of eyebrows above the eyes. If you draw them at an angle, it makes the face look a little bit more grumpy. I don't know why our sheep is grumpy, but I guess he is.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw our sheep a little cute nose. Just draw a small oval on its side, and then draw a J shape coming from the bottom of the oval, with a little tail like a J, that's it, Artie, and then another tail on the other side.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Now it's time to draw the left ear, just a back to front big J shape, and then let's draw the left side of the sheep's face. Another J shape. Draw a smaller J inside the ear. Should we leave it with just one ear?
No.
I was kidding, Artie. Of course not. He has to have two ears. If you can, try and make the right ear and the right side of the face match exactly what you drew on the left side, as best you can.
What did you have for breakfast this morning, Mikey?
Betty, I'm a marker, so I had a banana.
Add a little chin. And finish the face with the top of the head. Cartoon break? Okay, sure. We can have a cartoon break. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured white.
Artie loves white. Look, white flowers. Even the clouds are white. Oh, a white bunny. A white swan in the lake.
You found lots of white things today, Artie.
Artie loves white.
Those clouds in the cartoon sure looked like sheep, didn't they, Artie? Come on, let's get back to the drawing. Let's draw the body of the sheep by drawing a sort of cloud shape around the head. Lots of little half circles that join up to one another. Leave a little space at the bottom so that the legs can go through. Just there. And another little space right there. That's it. Good job, Artie. Should we draw the legs now, Artie?
Okay.
Just draw 2 little straight lines coming through that gap that we left earlier. That's it. And then draw a little hoof on the bottom. Straight line down, and then a little V shape. See how it looks like a hoof? Let's draw one of the back legs next. Same thing, 2 little lines, and then a hoof with a little V shape cut out of the bottom.
Isn't art fun?
I think so.
Time for the other front leg. And finally, the last back leg. The middle of our sheep's body is looking a bit plain, Artie. What could we do? Oh, he's had an idea. Oh, brilliant idea, Artie. Yes, just do some little cloud shapes inside the sheep to make him look more fluffy and woolly. Let's draw some grass. Sheep love grass. Perhaps a bit more grass on the right side. You finished? Great job, Artie. Are you ready to colour it in?
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Mine too.
Fantastic job, Artie. It looks great.
Hey, bye kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later.
Well, thanks for watching, little artists, and we hope you have an Artie day. Bye-bye.